Hi, I'm Alexis Rubin from Functional Home, and today we're going to talk about how to organize your stockings and tights so they don't get snagged. This is a problem many of us can relate to because if they end up in one drawer all together, we have to pull them apart, and they're usually a big static clean ball, and our fingernails snag them and that sort of thing. So the best way to do this is actually get some ordinary clear plastic cups, just like this, and line the inside of your drawer with them. Finding just the right cup may be tough. They're not going to fit perfectly, and that's okay. You may choose to fill the entire dresser. You may choose to only fill half of it. It really just depends on how many stockings or tights you have that you need to store. Once you have the number of cups inside the drawer that you need, the next step is to roll your stockings. Again, this is where you want to be careful of snags because this is where we snag our stockings, right? When we're touching them with our fingers and our hangnails and whatnot. So just roll them very gently. Try to keep them from snagging as you roll them. Once you've got them into a nice little neat ball, all you're going to do is place them gently inside the cup. They don't even need to go all the way down to the bottom of the cup because that will also allow you to grab them more easily when you want to take them out. Do the same to all of your pairs. Again, being careful to wrap them gently and tuck them inside. And there you have it, a really simple, inexpensive way to keep your stockings organized and snag-free. For more great tips, go to functionalhome.com. I'm Alexis Rubin. Thanks for watching.